Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a resin frame. First, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need a two-part epoxy resin, a silicone frame mold, mixing cups, stir sticks, and personal protective equipment like gloves and safety glasses. Make sure your workspace is clean, well ventilated, and covered with a drop cloth to protect surfaces. Having everything ready ensures a smooth and enjoyable crafting experience. Now, let's move on to mixing and pouring. Always follow your resin manufacturer's instructions for the exact mixing ratio, which is often 1:1 or 2:1 by volume. Measure precisely into separate cups, then combine and stir slowly for at least 3 minutes. This slow mixing prevents excessive air bubbles. Once thoroughly mixed, carefully pour the resin into your silicone frame mold, filling it to your desired depth. Patience is key during the curing process. Your resin frame will need to cure for 24 to 72 hours, depending on the specific resin and environmental conditions. Cover your mold to protect it from dust while it hardens. Once the resin is completely solid and no longer sticky, you can gently demold your beautiful new frame. Take your time to avoid damaging the edges. Finally, let's add some finishing touches to personalize your resin frame. You can carefully trim any rough edges with a craft knife or smooth them with fine grit sandpaper. For extra flair, embed decorative elements like glitter, dried flowers, or small charms into the resin during the pouring stage. A clear top coat can also enhance shine and provide additional protection, making your frame truly unique.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.